guys, check this out. So I picked up this neat oat milk because if you look at it, this is Califia Farms, and it's got this fancy container to it, and this was on sale at the local grocery store, so I decided to pick it up. As you can see, it's gluten-free, dairy-free. This one's kind of unique because the regular price of this one was really expensive, but it was like half price. So there's the back. There you go. This one has no gums, okay? So if you're wondering about that, so it's vegan, kosher, all that type of stuff there. Here's the NutriPad if you want to read it. Pause the video. Now, take a look at this. Gluten-free oat beverage, and if you look here, got sunflower oil, minerals, calcium's in there, some sea salt. This one unfortunately doesn't have like some B vitamins. It's missing some of that stuff in there, but not a huge deal. But there it is. All right, let's open this up. Do a quick taste test. Okay, so it comes sealed like this. I shook it up already. All right, there we go. Poured it out. Let's do a quick taste test right there. It's actually really good. It's got a refreshing taste to it. It does taste different than the ones that you'd get like from Earth's Own, things that it has that nice oat taste to it, but it also has a more of a refreshing taste, like more. It's not as thick. I guess that's what it looks like. If you look at the consistency, it seems like it's not as thick, and it feels more like it's more. I don't know how to describe it, like more rehydrating, but it's not as thick. It goes down better. Yeah, it's not bad. Definitely check it out, guys. If you want a different alternative, if you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.